Okay, we're coming up to the next car wash. It's actually closer than I thought. I think this is the Freestyler. Okay, yeah, and my dash cam is messing up. It's not recording for some reason. So, once again, my recording setup is just still not reliable. But the best I can do is just to film everything on the main camera, just like old times. So, we're just gonna stick to that. Well, I'm not going in for a 15-minute oil change. I'm going to the car wash. Okay, this is another B clean. This one had a rare dryer on the other side, but couldn't get a view from this side, so I don't know what we have in here. Oh, another one. Same prices. Is this the right car wash? I swear it is. It's got a fancy Hamilton station. I need to see if I'm actually at the right car wash. Yes, I am. Okay. I don't know, I just got really confused there for a second. Well, Google also says this is a wash me, but I think it's another B clean. Well, oh, it's got different signage in it too. Well, I guess $17 again. Alright, well, I thought this had a completely different machine, but I wanted to film it because of the... Yeah, this one's got a Jackson dryer. So, maybe the last machine, it'll work for me to do quarters. But yeah, same prices. But yeah, it's just... It tells me card full, but it can like override the footage anyway, but it's not doing that. So I don't know what's wrong with this thing anymore. So we're gonna go back to using this main camera full-time for sprees, and then I'll continue using my phone for just, you know, one wash at a time. I didn't get myself close enough. Yeah, same prices.
Welcome. To make a purchase, make a selection, then enter the amount shown. Please
Same prices as the other one. I guess there's a quarter dispenser. So selection enter code. Card slot here.
Processing. Thank you for your purchase. For a receipt, press print or pull into the wash bay.
Okay, we are good. Another old Typhoon well. Also got a treadle on it. Cool dryer. Okay. Treadle's a little touchy. Well, y'all get 2 Typhoons in a row. How about that? I only had the dash cam for like a year and a half and it got busted already. I knew that thing wouldn't last long. Oh well. And then I'll hit up one more, which for sure I don't know what machine is in there. And then I'll probably stop at a Culver's for lunch because I passed by one. Rocker blasters. I know it's not the first time the dash cam has done that same kind of thing. Because like it said the car is full when it wasn't at all. Definitely don't want to miss this dryer startup. Yep, now it's the spot free. Not that dramatic of a startup sound, but still a very rare dryer. Cool. I've heard of these and I've seen pictures of these and videos of these, but not one in person. It's a pretty cool setup, I'm not gonna lie. But is it working very well? Not really. But that's interesting. Certainly cool, but not really the best working dryer. Yeah, and there's the whole error thing right there, and a timer that's basically impossible to read. I think I'm down to like 5 seconds left already. That's got to be like the worst timer I've ever seen. Yeah, it's done already. I couldn't even see anything. I think it said, "Thank you, please come again." Still, certainly a cool setup, but doesn't really work that well. Well, thank you all for watching. Hope you all enjoyed. And that'll be it for this one.